Good morning. My name is Benjamin. Today I'm going to talk to you about experience. You got account history, and another thing you can use to dispute would be the actual payment amount. So you look on get your experience credit report. You look on your account history. Look for at the bottom you're going to see AAP and the dollar sign with mean actual payment amount. If you see an ND, which is no data for this time period, you can dispute this because they're supposed to have accurate information and complete information. So if it's not on there, it said it's incomplete. So I would dispute whatever count this is and say that whatever month or year it is and say that it's incomplete. I dispute it because it's incomplete. It's still no data. So it was like June. So if it's June 2019, you would dispute June 2019 account history, no data, incomplete for actual pay amount. You use that. That's another strategy you can use to get stuff out of credit report. Have any questions, please let me know.